Okay, so you're 50 plus and you're new to smartphones and tablet computers. But friends and family don't seem to have the patience or time to teach you how to use them and explain the basic features in a way that you understand. Now, this can lead to frustration, anxiety, or even a little embarrassment. You sometimes might even ask yourself, why is it my 6-year-old granddaughter is able to use this stupid phone, but I can't? Well, welcome to the IT Bar, where a qualified trainer will take the time to help you learn your device at a pace that suits you.